Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We are doing a very special unboxing in this video because I have all new products from Florasis. So today we are doing a PR unboxing from Florasis. This is a makeup cosmetic company that makes gorgeous works of art, but also it's makeup. So you are supposed to use it, but I always just love how beautiful the packaging is. Their products are gorgeous as well. So using them, I'm always timid and hesitant just because they're so pretty. But of course, we're gonna use them today. We're gonna check them all out. They created all new products in celebration of their 7th anniversary. So they've been in business for 7 years now, have new items on the website, and they kindly sent them over. And I'm gonna share all of them with you guys today. So I'm so excited that we get to play with some new makeup today. So if you're interested in purchasing any of the items that I'm going to share with you guys, I will have a link down below for you. They are all in stock on the website. They are shipping right now as well. These are not pre-orders. And I do have a discount code available that I think is still active. So I'm going to put that down there too. If for some reason it's not active, I'll email my rep and see if we can get you another code. But I think the other code is still working right now. We got lots of goodies to go through. So first item that I have here is their Gorgeous Peach Blossom Powder. Ooh. So their powders I have actually found to be my favorites. After trying them out and comparing them to a couple other brands that I like their powders as well. This powder is a very finely milled powder. So it's so fine that it literally sets like a perfect veil on my face. It's lightweight, but it will keep my makeup in place. So what I will do is actually bake. I'll put my foundation on, my concealer, and then I'll put a powder over top of it. And it's flawless, you guys. It gives me this smooth finish and it's just beautiful. So this is their newest Peach Blossom Powder. It will look like this. And it's going to have a touch of a peach color to it. And then to open it, you're actually going to grip it and twist. And this will open up. And then down below, you're going to have your powder puff. This will be included with it. And then you've got your mirror up here. Right now, it's got a film over it just so that it's not reflective for you guys. But you would want to remove that when you're using this. Then your powder puff will be extra thick. It's very soft. It's made of velvet, so it feels super cushiony. And then you're going to open up this tray, and this is where your blossom powder will be at. And do you notice how it's got a slight peach tint to it? So it's very subtle. It's not a lot, but this will be one that you can just tap into, dab it on, and it's going to get rid of any oils that you might have. But like I said, it's also going to lock that makeup in place. If you are transitioning from a liquid and a cream, and next you want to use a powder product, like I will use a powder blush or a powder bronzer, you want to put a powder in between those steps. So I use a liquid foundation and a liquid concealer. Use the powder to set it, and then you're going to follow up with your powders after that. And that will help your makeup to last longer throughout the day if you use something to transition in between liquids and powders. Just a little extra tip for you guys, but this one I'm excited for because they've never done a peach tint before, and I like that this has got just a little bit of a hue. It's not too crazy, but if you have redness like I do, this will actually really help to correct everything and keep it all even. And this will lock in place because you twist it. And once it's locked, your powder's not going to come out at all. It's going to be secure in here. So if you're traveling, it's no mess. This is going to be a good one. I just know it. I'm going to end up using that one a ton. So next item that's in here is their Gorgeous Peach Blossom Powder. Oh, is this the smaller version? Okay, so it says the same thing, but let me see. Maybe they have a large and a travel size version. I think it is. So this is what it looks like. So if you guys wanted to do a smaller version of this, you could order this one instead and see what you think of it. It still comes with a powder puff, and then your powder will be down below. So that way, you could just try it out first. Next up, I have one of their newest lipsticks. This is their Blooming Rouge Ultra Smooth Satin Liquid Lipstick. It's a really long name. The shade number that we have is S302. So they always number these boxes, and that way when you go online, you'll see which collection it's a part of. So this is their latest lipstick that they created. I have tried their liquid lips in the past, and I will say they are a gorgeous matte shade. I also feel like they last a really long time on my lips without drying them out either. So I will do a quick swatch here for you guys. That way you can see what it looks like. This will be the color on this one, and it's a very creamy liquid lipstick. It is a soft color. You can build it up if you want to, but this is supposed to give you a really soft lip. So, I mean, it just is a gorgeous little color. It like gives you a pop of color without being too over the top. We also have a new lip gloss to try out. This one is their Dew and Jade like glowing lip gloss. The shade number is G302 on this one. And inside we'll have a lip gloss. So this one is going to have a little bit more shine to it, but still it's going to be this great pigment that's just very subtle. So I always think their packaging is really cute. And we'll do a swatch on this one, of course. This one's going to be a little bit deeper of a color, but it's a beautiful glossy shade. But I mean, look at how feminine this is. So you really get this great shine. It is not sticky at all. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even know this is a gloss. When it goes down, it doesn't have any thickness to it. It's not a sticky formula at all. And some glosses are. You know how some glosses are really sticky or they'll be really thick? This isn't. Now, this is not a plumping lip gloss either. It's strictly there for the pigment and the shine. There is one more lip gloss in this collection, and this is just a different shade. So this is G145 that I'm going to share with you guys next. And this will be the exact same formula as the last one. It's just going to have a different shade. So I think for this one, I'm going to go right below here. And you can see it's just got a little bit deeper of a color than the other two, but still super glossy, and it's got a beautiful shine to it. Now, our next item that we have in here is also a peach blossom powder. However, this is the silk version. So I'm going to pull this one out and show you guys. It's slightly different than the loose powder that I showed you earlier. So the compact itself will have a slightly different design on it, and it will look like this. It still is going to open up here on the corner, but this has got more of like a stamped leather look to it. Now this one, you're gonna press that locket and then lift it. You'll have your mirror up here at the top, and then you've got your powder puff down below. And again, you can tell it's a little bit different. And then this will be your silk powder, which basically is just going to be a solid powder. Instead of having a loose powder, this is one solid compact, and you can still tap into this, apply this on like the other one. But you can tell it's got a little bit of that peach tint to it, so it will help with color correcting. Honestly, I would go with whatever you're most comfortable between these two. They're both going to do the same thing. One is just going to be the loose powder versus this one is going to be more of that solid compact. So whatever you prefer, I think they're both equally going to work the same though. I do feel like with everything I've opened up though, it's all for like on the go. You can take the powder with you, do a quick touch up. These are all very wearable day-to-day looks as well. I don't know, it's just kind of like on the go. These are going to be great items. So the next item that they created for this collection is going to be a traveling case. This is a really nice case. It has the Florasis logo here in the center. I think this one, I mean, it's very soft. It's not leather, but it feels like it. Like it's a very soft fabric. And then inside, it's all lined with velvet, and it has the Florasis logo once again. This is their traditional color, which is kind of that blue-green color. And then you've got room over here for all of your rings. If you're going to put necklaces, this will be your jewelry carrying case. Now, this is a limited edition product that they created specifically for their anniversary. It will not be around long-term. This is more of a collector's giftable item. But I do think it's a very nice jewelry case, and I do think it's going to hold up well. It's soft and padded on the top, but on the bottom, it's completely solid. So I think it's going to protect all of your jewelry very well. And the last item in this collection is going to be an eye mask. Again, this is something that they created just part of the anniversary. It's a limited edition piece that they have. It does have your Florasis logo here. And of course, it's going to have silk and it's going to have the matching colors that they have for their logo. So that is everything for today's unboxing from Florasis. Thank you so much first off to Florasis for sending this over. I'm appreciative that I can show this off to my audience. I have to say I'm really excited for the powder because I already know I love their powder. It's just so finely milled that it's better than a lot of the other powders that I have here. Additionally, this matte shade I am in love with. I think the gloss is really pretty too, but the matte is what I'm drawn to. Like it's the right shade for me, and I just know I'm gonna be able to put this on when I'm out and about, give me a little bit of color. It's perfect. So I am really excited for their new launches. I'm also excited that they've been in business for 7 years. So I do think we had some really great finds. If you guys are interested in any of these products, like I said, they are available now on the website, and I've got all of that posted down below. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye.